Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Start session.
Yeah, yeah, of course. So, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm also good. I'm very excited today because I'm going to connect with a very experienced teacher, and today I will learn many things from you.
Hopefully, you and me also are learning each other.
Yeah, you are right, ma'am. But you are elder than me, so you have more experience more than me, right?
I have experience in life, but if when it's come to spoken English, so I think you are so experienced than me because I visit I visited to your channel and I see your fluency and your the way of talking. So it was very good. So I highly impressed to you.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. This is your kindness, really. Okay, ma'am.
And
So,
how's your weather?
yeah, in my area, I think weather is normal today. There is no possibility by coming out rain.
Oh, yes. And yeah, it was raining heavily around 2
Mm.
o'clock. I sent your message. I will not be able to connect because I was in school, my son's school. So I was stuck in a school. So that's why I sent you a message.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay, ma'am. I understand because you are the housewife also as well. You have a lots of responsibility, right? So it's very difficult to maintain equally all of the responsibility of life, right?
Yes. And so we are meeting very first time. So let's start with introduction.
Yeah, of course, ma'am. Basically, I belong to Bihar State. I'm a teacher, and if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to interact with the peoples and visiting a various kinds of places for a varying purpose. Yeah, it is a part of my hobbies and interest you can consider. Yeah, it's all about it, ma'am.
Okay, that's lovely to hear. And you are teacher, so you teach in school.
Yeah, I teach at private school
Uh, and which class do you teach?
up to five class only.
It means primary.
Yeah, primary.
It's your government job or private?
Yeah, it's a private job, not a government. You know very well. Huh? It's quite difficult for having post in government. That's why.
Yeah, that is true because I'm also trying to get government job and I'm doing lot of exams of teaching exams, but still I am struggling.
Okay, ma'am. So could you introduce yourself? I'm
Yeah,
very
sure.
curious. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I am Kalpana. I'm connecting you from Noida Extension. If I talk about
Wow.
my educational qualification, I am an MA, BA, and qualified CTED, UPTED. Moreover, I have 5-year experience of teaching, and I run a YouTube channel named Learn and Excel with Kalpana. Moreover, I am a housewife and learner of English language, and I have two kids and having a great responsibility of kids. So I am a homemaker, and if I talk about my hobbies, I love teaching, dancing, traveling, and nowadays I am connecting with different kind of people. So I love interaction.
Yeah, ma'am. You are really multi-talented, really, because you are you are performing as a character of multiple persons, right? As a teacher, as a perfect housewife, mothers, various kinds of posts have you indulging
Yeah, I
on.
try to fix, but somehow somehow I am able to do, and somehow I am not able to do. But I'm trying to
Yeah,
do all the things.
it's okay, ma'am. It's a life. and we are having unpredictable situations. It's so very difficult to optimizing self, right? According to situation to maintaining the balance of life.
And
So I can
you are
understand.
teacher. How long have you experience of teaching?
Yeah, it's been I think 1 year of experience I have.
1 year. So
Yes.
it means you are new in teaching line.
Yeah, you are right. I'm a fresher.
Apart from that, you are doing like you are a YouTuber. Okay, and you are a
Yeah.
YouTuber as well and teacher in a school. So you are also a multitasking, and now you are learning this language and improve your development, you improve your personality. So
Yeah.
according to me, like we are doing so much things. Apart from that, we are learning this language. So learning this language, it's a different thing, and English is not our first language, it's a second language, and we don't have environment to observe the language. So all the people uh, who are living in India, say they are facing lot of difficulties to learn this language, and because of these kind of difficulties, they are connecting to different kind of people on YouTube. And this is the, I think YouTube is a boon all the learner. Why the YouTube, the all everyone learns anything by the YouTube.
Yes.
Because of YouTube we are connecting.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I think you and me never think about this. We ever connect.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. You are right. YouTube just platform just are becoming the reasons to connect to each other this way and interacting with each other to knowing various kinds of things which is indulging in a spoken field. Right.
I'm a
Yeah.
beginner. So you are not beginner. You have a great fluency. Okay. So everyone's don't have the environment. So you must have, you must not have the environment. Okay. So
Yeah.
how did you tackle these kind of difficulties, and you must do something special, so by which you get the fluency. So
Okay.
could you please share your experience?
Yeah, ma'am. Really, I'm very glad to share my experience with you. And your effort, I can see it comes out within you. So I really appreciate you, ma'am. You're doing well. Okay. If I talk about my journey of spoken English, so at that time I have been suffered the various kinds of problem as a just like all the learner have ever faced in beginning stage. Okay, like I was having very less environment as well as similar persons with whom I could interact with them about any matters. I was alone there. Okay, so I used to interact with myself at the corner of my rooms many of time, and as well as I had been establishing some habit of reading books. Okay, so if you maintain books, so obviously you made multiple time the equal vocabulary, similar vocabulary in multiple time. So it would becoming the quite interesting to reminding the memories of your previous, right? So that's why these are things I used to do a lot, and I had applications, audio call applications. I used to interacting with the people through that kinds of applications. So these are things I used to do a lot of time. The one day I visited on YouTube channel and I got to know about conversational videos about Camly application. But I couldn't able to purchase that kinds of applications subscription. So I was considering it is out of my capacity now because that was the biggest price. High prices of the month, 4,000 rupees per month by taking subscription. So that's why I think after spending of 5 to 6 months later, I get to know about a local conversation that people used to attending through the help of applications of Skype. Then I started my journey. So this
Only
way,
audio, only audio call. You get environment.
yeah, only audio call.
How long did you spend on your audio call?
Yeah, whenever ma'am I got to time, free time for me, I used that kinds of application, especially in at evening time. Yeah, whenever I get time, I used.
How long? 1 hour, 15 minutes,
Oh, time period, yeah, 1 hour plus. I used to.
1 hour.
Yeah,
Much time. 1 hour.
yeah,
So
because I was too much passionate person.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's possible to everyone when a person have a when a person want to do. So it's it's easy to get fluency, to get environment.
so I would like to suggest you something so that can help you. Like you listening more, okay? You're listening more. You should be follow the one channel, TED Talks. I think you have must heard. You must have heard TED Talks.
Okay.
TED Talks. Okay. So you search the channel name over the YouTube channel, and there you will get so many person comes to here for sharing their story of life in better accent. So you can listening every day and practicing more with yourself, not just like that. Okay. As much
Okay.
as you can practice with yourself, so your hesitation will be removed, and you will get the idea of making sentence. Okay.
I hope it will help me a lot, and I will try to learn why which you have share me. I
Yeah.
will I will definitely learn.
Because I become fluent because of this way. I'm telling you my way, which I used to do a lot of time. Okay. I already mentioned you, ma'am. I support you. That is mean I help you. This is my
Yeah.
work to helping every learner. If I'm having any problem of any person, I always try to helping them.
So thanks for connecting me on my channel, and thanks for sharing your ideas.
Thank you, ma'am. I really appreciate you. You are doing much harder, and you must reach at your level very soon. I believe at you. Thank you so much.